Hi Aquarians, welcome back to my channel. Sending you love all the way from India. I was doing like this, my bangles were stuck back. Okay, follow me on Insta, SSHELLSSA Shells Running. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from 5th till 11th of July 2021. Okay, so however timeless. Okay, there is a beautiful message coming, as in like I can see the old version of television. Okay, and I can see like something like song is coming, Fir Milenge, which means we will meet again. Not exactly there's a song, but different songs are there in that formation. It's like we will meet again. And I'm in the first go I heard gather the energy. So you need to gather the energy in this time frame. Okay, and these two cards wanted to come out. However, I'm going to use different decks here. I had this beautiful message. Old television, vintage kind of, not the flat screen one. And it's like settled there, I could see that, and I feel like it's something connected from the past. Okay, which is very amazing because you have two cards as well here, which is one is Six of Cups. So for some cases, like we will meet again. So this may be some message coming from the past in order to have certain meeting with you. Okay, kind of like message from the past, kind of like someone from the past coming back, messaging you from the past. Okay, or this may be something, what I was saying, creating the new lane here of memories also. Okay, depends. This is also the time when there is celebration, togetherness, family, childhood energies, like it's like with siblings. It's something like I feel renovation of old things here, old emotions uniting. Now this may be love, this may be from family as well. So gather the energy. You need to be very energetic. This is in one go your vibe. You're feeling more energetic in this time frame. It's also Page of Swords, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. However, this may be the message coming through for some cases. And you have the bottom energy, Ten of Cups. It's being together, it's family time as well, or some kind of celebration. You're happy. Gather the energy. It's like looking to some movie together, going to see the movie together. It's feeling like enjoying the old memories and old talks and vintage talks. Okay, this is also something, we will meet again. We will meet again is energy, definitely is coming here. What you're going to do is, a message is coming. Your eyes are like feeling startled here. There's a surprise message. Okay, please ignore the sounds. Someone is traveling to you. Now this may be someone of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming home. Someone you know, okay, connected with your childhood possible, but there is travel, or someone we will meet again. This is like also in the energy form of like someone who is revisiting you, or someone who is visiting you, or someone with whom you're having very, very emotional conversations here via text. I see the layout here, kind of, not of the cards, but the layout of like stepping up a little bit, one by one. Okay, you're feeling good in this now. Okay, what else is there? Let me just focus. Okay, what is coming there? Someone switched off the television with the remote control, and they just pick themselves up, and someone is moving out. I feel someone is there. Someone is visiting you. Maybe via text, but for many of you it's in real as well. I see that physical appearance of someone, because someone did the switch off, like and then they moved out. So there is someone at the door. Some of you are traveling here, or someone is traveling. Not necessarily everyone is traveling. I just heard that someone is in the car and picturing. So this may be someone who is clicking the picture of someone, making video of someone, which on a very positive note. Okay, someone is clicking picture because they missed someone so much, or someone while on they're in the car and on their route, basically en route, they are taking picture of some places those are connected with the memory lane of both of you, or maybe someone is sending you something. Okay, so someone is picturing something with you while they are on the journey, or while they're having certain conversation with you. Okay, this may go in any ways. Now if they're picturing something with you, then they are making themselves believe in the fact that they are looking forward to have future with you. Okay, memories, messages, they might be sending you some things, they might be sharing the common points with you, which makes them feel that they want to meet you. It depends, this may be something new as well in your life. There may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay, possible in the picture. There may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but this is an energy form. I feel it's going to be gather the energy. It's going to be very fast. You won't even expect this kind of energy. I mean, you're active, or someone is more active, but this kind of energy is like hyperactive. Okay, the conversation happening here, swift flow of something. Definitely, I see here. Let's see what kind of. Someone you are sharing that. Again, I'm hearing the word craving. Okay, craving from both the sides possible. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but this is Page of Wands energy. Though it's not coming out, but I see like something that is common and you people are sharing, and it makes the energy more excited. You're more excited talking to them, or they are more excited talking to you. Okay. And you have that question of like, I don't know why this is happening. I don't know why where this is going. Two of Swords is making you confused here, keeping you at kind of like crossroads. Should I talk? Shouldn't I talk? This is like, it's like I should drop this idea, okay? But this is Knight of Cups, where it is like going kind of. This conversation is heading towards getting emotional towards one another. It's Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, or this may be something that is coming towards you. Someone is sorry for their doing, for their saying in the past possible. If it is Six of Cups and resurgence. If it is something new, lane of formation of memories here, this is emotional contact that you are in, and this is more conversation that I see in the future. It's in your life happening. Something that you just can see, you know, and possibly you don't want to control it. It's kind of energy of like letting go of control issues. Something that you don't feel like controlling, because that's the move. Six of Wands and the Hanged Man energy in the future. There is something that is entering in your zone. You're feeling quite happy and content with your achievements here, okay? With this is about being constant with your work or constant in your thoughts. It's also something that is getting awakened. There is some possible, this is like awakening and looking to the relationship or to the connection here from a different perspective. It's someone who is visiting you. You were like here, not having that idea, I feel, and someone is visiting. Possible. This may go vice versa, but someone's call, someone visiting, come home, being victorious. There's kind of celebration, and you're in awe of something. Okay, you're achieving something, praise or something like that, growth in something, and we will meet again, or we'll be together kind of energy. Okay, after the pause, something is happening here. There's a movement, definitely. Judgment. This is the time when it's going to come together. It's not going to be accumulated. It's going to be coming together, and it's going to be merging well. Okay, the Judgment is a call back as well. So maybe someone is going to call you. Maybe someone is going to call you after long. I don't know what you're going to do with that, whether you're going to take the call or not, but this is someone who does want you to hear them out, or this is the situation that is in the demand that you people need to hear each other out. It's also someone who is asking for the second chance, or if this is something like this is the time, okay, of something positive. Something is here, and without being judgmental, it's something that is coming in the picture. You never thought of it, but it's coming. Like something is being provided even to you. Conversation, excitement, fast, don't know why you are not stopping, but you don't want to stop possible because you want to talk. We will meet together, or we'll meet again. Maybe this is what the message is. We'll meet again from your person. Seven of Wands energy reverse, good. Because if it is going with we'll meet again, then it's kind of like vintage love story begins again, or someone does want to enter in your life. Now with this, I feel you don't feel that anger, agitation, or someone who is, someone who is putting guards down. Basically, in simple words, that like they're ready. So this is basically possible you are ready to let someone come again in your home, or you're ready to invite the talk or conversation. You're just ready. 11:11 recording time. This maybe you are ready for new love in your life and you were not expecting it, but it's coming. This is the time. Don't be judgmental. Don't be judgmental of anyone here. Okay, it's like be little chill, little loose, little. Don't take anything too hard here. Don't have defenses up here, especially when things are happening in your life. Okay, if it is Ace of Cups, whether it's from past, whether it's now situation, because I see that kind of gather the energy. This is about gather the energy to enter in new realm. I'm sorry, I apologize. In new realm. Okay, I feel you're no more sad about something. That's what I was looking at. Seven of Wands. You don't have those emotions for someone if it is from past energy. So maybe you are ready to listen to them if you need to. This Five of Cups is like disappointment connected with someone. Okay. And someone does misses you. If this is their energy, they miss you. 12:12 recording time. Five of Cups. Or maybe someone who is emotionally entering in your life and now they are there and nothing can be done because they're there. The Chariot. Something that you won't allow to re-enter in your life. Chariot is a Cancerian. Someone who is a Cancerian misses you and they want to enter in your life, but there is kind of like you're no more attached with the person. If it is like a resurgence energy. If something is new, you are basically you don't have guards up, kind of like you feel little light here. Okay, not expecting that much, but then again, okay, but this is also like you're not ready yet. If this is something new, to have this big move in life. Okay, so gather the energy, but there's also someone's travel or excitement connected with something here. Definitely I see that. Let's see from Witch's Tarot what's coming. Message, definitely from past, possible. Resurgence, yes. New person, yeah. Okay, let's see. Maybe again I said Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There's Cancerian. Okay, there's someone in the picture, I'm telling you. Maybe the Lovers, Gemini also. With the Lovers, that was flipping. Someone possible in relationship. Oh my God, Lovers, look. Something is moving with this person. Now, whether they are married or you are married, or someone is in relationship, I see. Maybe they're married. If not, they're married. They just want to tell me that married. And if you're not, and they are, then there is someone in the picture. Something is growing here, I see. Knight of Pentacles. They're feeling connected to you, even if they are in relationship. Someone is having moved towards you, slow and steady. Ace of Wands. Someone is having slow and steady connection and move towards you. With the Ace of Wands, this is going to be karmic in the future. Gather the energy. Someone is interested. It's like this is also telling me like we will meet. again. So maybe you never knew that this "we will meet again" kind of energy is from the realms, from the spiritual realms, a blessing. Okay, or maybe this connection was supposed to happen in this time frame, when they will get into karmic connection or you will get into karmic connection. And then Ace of Wands is like desperation to connect with you. It's like the butterfly is ready to migrate. Monarch, it is something now, they are no caterpillar, like metamorphosis is done and everything stuff. Someone is physically attracted towards you as well. Now maybe they're not married, they want to get married to you. That's why there is this pickup energy towards you, being constant and walking up to you, like having that move. If they are already, then again this is something harmony that they want with you. I don't know how, oh my god, there's Four of Cups. Look, there is something an offer. And look, this is also mess if they are in relationship, to be honest. Like it's something that you shouldn't allow. Four of Wands energy. Someone is in desperation to meet you. We will meet again. Again, this is something connected with your age group. Okay, if it goes that way. Like, I know age is just a number, of course, it's flowing. But again, it's like sometimes we are like, you might be dealing with younger sign, you might be dealing with older sign. However, I feel it's like almost the same age around, like 1-2 years kind of difference. This is also telling me this karmic connection is going to create a little bit of mess. Why? Because there is attraction that is heading towards this. Maybe someone's interest is growing in you. Maybe it's going to be like there's a bond that is going strong and it's going to grow more strong. And to be honest, this may turn into even love story. But I see strong bond. Someone enjoys your company, I see here. And you do. Ace of Cups with Four of Swords energy. Someone is guarding their emotions here. Okay. Also, I feel this is you. You are guarding your emotions. Like you need to have the wall up because you have emotions for someone. Or this is also someone who does have these emotions. Like they are overwhelmed with you or your presence. It's like you need to draw the line here. But the problem is this is something that it's going to fall. Fall because of love. Okay. It's expression. Why this is Four of Swords. Like it's like how it is possible even. Four of Swords. Knight of Wands energy. Wow, rushing energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They are going to break this wall. As I said, someone gonna break this. Like, you know, this is excitement, curiosity, craving, love. Someone feels this, and you'll have to, you know, you'll have to face this. You'll have to face your own emotions and they will have to face this with you. Look, Knight of Swords. Listen, there is Knight of Cups energy, there is Knight of Swords energy, there is Knight of Wands energy, and then you have Knight of Swords energy. Someone is coming towards you, especially with Six of Swords energy, and you had in the startup Six of Swords. Feel that, right? Yeah. Again, this is Knight of Swords. Passionate conversation starting, curiosity. This is, they want to talk. What does this person want? Knight of Wands. I don't know why they're looking at you. They're patient. They have patience. Like, they want to talk. It's going little ahead. It's going little ahead. You have two cards. Oh God, it's going little ahead. Now remember, this bond is getting strong. Whatever it is, however it is. You have Six of Cups energy, Ace of Swords. Again, you had in the startup Six of Cups energy. Look here, and Page of Swords energy, which to me is saying message from past possible. But with the Ace of Swords energy, there is something that is coming in the picture. There is truth that will be told to you, breakthrough. There is something, initiation. Okay, possible someone from the past approaching you, or maybe this is some connection here that you feel so good. It's like laying the foundation. Memories, creating memories with this new bond here. Okay, it's going to be tough here, but it's going to be in the future. Like it's, how to say, it's going to be the future. Mirroring. Okay, this conversation is leading to this. It's going to be bond, strong bond. Someone is going to get close to you here, definitely. They may even fall in love with you. Okay, while having this trip with you, while having this conversation, they won't they won't even realize, and you won't even realize you're going to end up here. Okay, so this may be creating love story. Oh my god, the truth that will be like, that will not be denied here. However, this may be from past, however this is new, I'm also telling that. Like, because I asked that what is this Knight of Wands want? They want to talk, they want to know you, they want to initiate something with you, they want to know about your even past, they want to know about you. Basically there's mystery attached. Of course they want to know things about you. There's definitely attraction. Someone is attracted to you. Higher communication, going high, high, high. Someone who is, look, attraction card that flipped if you saw it, and this card just got in the slide, like, so this is flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. I feel, yeah, someone is flirting, but it's on the positive note because they are having that attraction. We're going to see what's next attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So maybe you are just going with the flow, maybe just healthy flirting, nothing more. But let's see what's beyond attraction. You are going to free yourself, but it's not the flip. Okay, let me see what's coming out. Please give us the flip. Souls and spirits. What is that they need to know? Finances and career. I heard the word attention. Someone is going to give you attention, but financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Possibility if this person is from the past energy and resurging, kind of, whether you want to consider it or not, I don't know. This energy was focused on their career and everything, but from far they are attracted to you. However, this is also someone who is very much focused in the now of responsibilities if they are married, because, yeah, as I said, someone who is in connection, they have financial issues. But someone who is flirting on the side, what's in the love yourself first is coming. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive, so attraction goes that way. You're in this form, okay? But what's in the, please give us the card. Someone may get into separation here. I don't know who. This person you are dealing with will get into separation with the person, or you're getting, okay? Your card is let your friends help you. Something is coming in the picture, I'm telling you. Someone is going to get to you, know you. It may be mutual friendship, zone here. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay, then I'll give you the card. Let's see. From Sibila, what's the message? What's in future coming? Thief. Someone is trying to steal your heart, or you are. But there is also something that is a lie. Okay, which means that you people are talking. Which means something is happening in shadows. It's like some type of connection happening behind the scenes, and the third energy is not aware about it. If this energy is connected with you, you'll know. If disconnected energy is with the person you are connected or dealing, then you'll know. Okay, so there's thief. But this energy, this lie, this thing is giving joyfulness to you, or to someone here, or to both of you. Whether it's right or not, you're responsible for your karma. Listen, thought. Whether it is right or not, someone is in thought. If this is your energy, then you are in thought that whatever is happening, is it right or not? Because something is happening behind the scenes. Wedding. Now, who's wedding? Okay? Someone is interested in getting married to you in the future, so love story. Or someone who's already married, I said so. Promises, done. Someone is in thoughts about something that is happening. About something that is happening. Love is happening, definitely. It's like two swans meeting together. Someone found someone and they feel like the connection. The work is done. Cupid is resting here. There's going to be something constant happening in your life. You are going to watch it, see it, observe it, feel it. Okay? using Gothic deck. Here you go. I want to. There is something happening. Okay, Three of Pentacles. I'm going to still shuffle the deck, but with the Three of Pentacles, it's going to be someone in the center and two on the side. I feel like it's the bridge kind of thing, but someone does want to make things work here. It's also conversation happening. It is also something happening. Talk happening. Let's see. Three of Pentacles is definitely you are making something work, or something is getting into work mode. Now work mode means something is, what to say, it's collaborating, it's talk, it's energy coming together. We'll see. Who is telling you we'll meet together, we'll meet again, kind of. Please, souls and spirits, give us the message. Souls and spirits, give us the message. Look, there is a connection. Again, there is bottom energy is Three of Pentacles. Something is going to be crowy, messages going in and out, okay? And then you have three cards. Knave of Wands. I'm sorry. There's Knave. I think Knave is a page, right? Never used this deck from in a long time. Just let me check. I don't want to be wrong, okay? Though I'm not, but still. Just give me a second. Kindly bear. King is king, queen is queen. Okay, please give us Knave of Cups. Yeah, knight is knight, knave is page, okay? That's how it goes. You have the bottom Three of Swords energy, but you have these cards. Interesting. You have Knave of Wands. There's Page of Wands energy. And it's kind of repeating from the reading from the other deck. Look at someone is seeing at you, watching you with that curiosity and craving. I feel that. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone is looking at you for the attraction is here. Something that's not right, but it's here. There's Magician. I don't know why I heard Michigan. Okay. Magician. Something is manifesting here. Someone is trying to do the law of attraction here, or maybe this is something that was destined to, it's going to lightning will be happening here. And then you have Nine of Cups. It's like time to come out. It's like this connection was supposed to, meant to happen, and it is happening. It's like manifestation of something and it's opening. Okay? The magic that's being manifested here. Someone is swaying you, I feel, or you are swaying someone here. They're supposed to. You're supposed to. Four of Wands. I saw Four of Wands, but let's see the flip. Let me see. I see something is flamey here. Love. Possible this card particular. They're going to watch it happening. You're going to watch it. The Emperor was also there, kind of seeing me. Knight of Cups. Someone is feeling this but controlling possible their emotions, or you are. However, this is going to be happening. They can't anymore control because it's like drooling, kind of. It's like coming out. It's like they cannot resist it. So irresistible approach, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But regardless of any sign, it's someone who is coming with the whole love towards you. They can't just digest it now. Okay, what's happening with light? Okay, I hope this is going to help you guys. Take care and bye. See you soon.